Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for everything beauty-related. Today, we're diving into the TASALON Lockable Salon Trolley Cart. If you're a hairstylist, makeup artist, or even a tattoo artist looking for a versatile and reliable storage solution, stick around to see how this cart stacks up. The TASALON Lockable Salon Trolley Cart is a compact yet spacious organizer designed to keep your beauty tools, cosmetics, and supplies in order. It measures 13 x 14 x 33 inches, offering a solid amount of storage with 6 detachable PP plastic drawers. This cart isn't just for hair tools. It's versatile enough to hold a range of items, from manicure supplies to tattoo equipment, making it a great choice for professionals in various industries. A standout feature of this cart is its expandable workbench. The drawers can be pulled out and attached to brackets on both sides of the top, transforming it into a workbench with extra surface area. This flexibility allows you to customize the cart to your needs, whether you're working on a beauty treatment or creating a tattoo masterpiece. Plus, the lockable design ensures your tools are safe and secure with 2 lockable doors, giving you peace of mind, especially in a busy salon or studio setting. Another perk is the heat-resistant metal tool holders. These holders are adjustable in height, making them perfect for stashing your hairdryer, curling irons, or even towels. The thoughtful design means your tools are within arm's reach, and the sturdy metal material ensures they won't get damaged by heat. For those who rely on their tools every day, this feature alone adds significant value to the cart. When it comes to assembly, the instructions are straightforward and easy to follow. You won't need any advanced DIY skills to get this cart up and running. Once assembled, the cart is equipped with 4 smooth-rolling, 360-degree rotatable casters. These wheels are silent and won't get tangled in hair, making it a favorite for professionals who need a quiet, mobile solution for their workspace. Pros: spacious and well-organized storage with 6 drawers. Expandable workbench feature adds versatility. Lockable design keeps your tools secure. Heat-resistant metal tool holders for your hot styling equipment. Effortless mobility with smooth rolling casters. Cons: the cart's plastic drawers may not hold up as well under heavy use. Assembly can take a bit of time, so it's best to allocate a little patience. Value for money: this cart comes in at a mid-range price point, which is reasonable considering the design, features, and versatility it offers. If you compare it to similar salon carts, it holds its own, especially with the added functionality of the expandable workbench and lockable doors. For professionals looking for organized, secure, and mobile storage, it's definitely worth considering. In terms of comparison, there are other salon carts in this price range, but few offer the level of customization and flexibility this one provides. While there are cheaper alternatives, they often lack features like the heat-resistant tool holders or the lockable compartments, which could be deal breakers for those who need extra security. As for build quality and longevity, the cart feels durable overall. The metal tool holders stand up well to daily use, and the plastic drawers are decent, though they might wear over time if subjected to heavy-duty storage. It's likely to last well in a well-maintained, low to moderate use environment, but if you're in a high-traffic setting, consider how frequently the cart will be moved or loaded. I haven't had the need to contact customer support for this product, but TASALON is known for offering responsive service, so if issues do arise, help should be readily available. If you're looking for alternatives, there are more budget-friendly options like the Salonature Professional Rolling Cart, which doesn't have the expandable workbench, but offers solid storage at a lower price. However, you would lose some of the unique features of the TASALON cart. To wrap things up, the TASALON Lockable Salon Trolley Cart offers a fantastic solution for professionals looking to streamline their workspace. It provides ample storage, easy mobility, and solid construction at a reasonable price. It's not perfect, but it's certainly a strong contender in its category. If you value versatility and security in your salon setup, this could be a great addition to your space. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified when we post more expert reviews on Beautyistic. Thanks for watching today's review. The link to get the TASALON cart is in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. Have you tried this cart or something similar? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep your beauty game organized with Beautyistic.